Hello and welcome back to DSpace channel. Tari kapchi ay videos on suba hafte sum de che jo dose judula de ngara thandru shu ngare colleges to resume be te to holu everyday lesson plan so pre-conference la so balash be ni gi tanam se excuse ten de vetru excuses ten de videos on so bi reason jimes no don la de excuse ten me ten dare indigi kasel malabas turu medisu gi la ku chu ja be jume de se lapton snobe kasel be shuila. The Tariki lesson is watching lesson number 13. We will talk about ages and equations. Ages and equations concept syllabus. My question solve baby jo wale tengai detail na be concept one by one reveal bero jo. So tatu ki theka watching mapura ages ki equation de solve baby kapsulu machiki like let's say karma ki age di hemanim chi dinu shilan chi jono sanzum be gale age mapura ngoma shi be gale kamchina masho we always assume x mola te x be assume be te kadem chi be ani be x be assume be gi thamalu kadem chi be after simola after 5 years lo tele yanchi hence 5 years lo anzume khungi anzum after lo anzum homba chin after la begale ani gudi x ku add be jombala n years imagala ani di after lo anzum la bi kapsulu after hence anzum onebala anzum omi kapsul ding achi gi add be jogobala khungi ani di tele yachin later simola after hence later so chin x plus n years jombala the teacher tipe tele ngachigi before simola before lo ago lo stinebala ani ka subochin n minus n years la tato ansu thal anebe concept betem de nagi gaslab na how mi go do the question solve baby jo gali nagi how kon su shutula so we'll directly move on with the questions last na concept this log tara recapitulate sachi begela so ani bodalu first question na jump pege. First question dila. The first question diga bi dusla bachin karma's age mola karma's age after 15 years me mola question 1 this mato chin karma's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years ago se me bola what is his present age se me tanga chi ki karma ki age ti kamchina mi se mola imagala to bodalu karma ki lodi karma age after 15 years karma ki dhatu ki imi ki lodi nale 15 years at be watching semebola after 15 years tatole be 15 years ki shule ko kamchi jon la bachi 5 times his age 5 years ago ko longa gi hema gi age digi 5 times standard jon semebola so ani bodulu tatu go tambara ngachi kachi misebe ko gi lo misela so that's why we will assume let karmas megala karmas present age be x la and when the number be ru ngachi gi present age mashitalu we will assume it as x. So now we are assuming karma age is now we are assuming karma's age to be x la x be ba goi bala lo mashishile tagaslam x be by that another condition the legend be jibachin after 15 years lo imagala condition la another condition ta gob dikhache condition dikachila melabachin after 15 years imagala karma's age after 15 years after 15 years la bagale ani lo x digulu lo chenga gi shule la bagale ani gudi x plus 15 la after 15 years la bagale condition after 15 years e bachin x digulu additional chenga lo chenga joni me bala ta nalebe lo chenga gi shule se la bagale di khogi logo add chom batala daringa longa im bachin lo chenga gi shule nga lo khachi jom batala imaga ani zumbe that's why condition disu ani be segregated beshe bachin equation easily form besubla ani imbe x plus 15 the years will be 5 times his age 5 years ago se me bola so 5 years ago se me condition dia nai me mola dru 5 years ago bochi khogi present age lebe 5 years ago bochi we have to subtract lapchi mola ta chingagi kadem chibe after say lo later say bachindi add pego to the ago then previous say bachindi we have to subtract mola that first condition di kastu la bachin after 15 years labni digi we have added 15 to the x imagala tele analu 5 times lo ani the conditions so sai analu his age 5 years ago se bachin di 5 years ago di khoi present age lebe longa gi hemala bachin di longa di minus bego batala imaga we have to subtract it so ani be ni dige longa gi hema di we are keeping it as x minus 5 the ani ni condition thopshim le ta when the question nalu jonila tiwa digi kaslama ana ha go ta ben ta mela karma's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age se me wala karma's years to kasta mela wachi karma gi years 15 years anala karma's age after 15 years karma's age after 15 years ti kamchimo x plus 15 imagala x plus 15 karma ki thato yemi lo digo 15 years ke wachin semebola koi present age ko if 15 years added after labagale the add bejum batla imaga after 15 years laba thato yemi le 15 years ki shuli bodolo the x plus 15 karma's age after 15 years will be sema will be labagale will be labchin equal to imagala will be 5 times his age 5 years ago 5 years ago ki age ti bochin x minus 5 imagala so 5 years 5 times lobala ani 5 multiplied by bracket ra jagob dinam sem khache kashla chin ani 5 years ago dingi charal thopala 5 times x minus 5 imagala 5 years ago ki age ti x minus 5 thopchi tele condition di bochin 5 times 5 years ago ki age so ani beni digi x minus 5 ha goi mola anadi kade thopchla bachi karma ki age 15 years after 15 years kila to x ku 15 years ke odalo ani di will be sevagale equal to imala will be 5 times hemagi longa ge hemagi age digi 5 times chong semala so ani bodalo this is the equation that we have to formula tatunga gi gochup dalo golebe jodo kaslo chin nagi how koni dino question 1 it's taking more than 6 minutes still then kemila shumagi nadi juba jotu the analo x plus 15 is equals to 5x minus 5 imba multiply bime so ani bodalo ani bracket na jagola midra ani 5 ti analy thop lagai hema equation dal solve bodo tebe so ani bendige answer concept basic du sheko phachi so x plus 15 the x plus 15 bere diu imagala tele 5 into x is 5x imagala 5x negative sign diu 5 into 5 is 25 imagala ta ani chhop chile ngachi ge kachpen labachin tata mela ana 5x ti phadu mola the analo x to the ana 15 ana 25 ani bodulu ngachi gi x ti phata tanila x phata tam dalu na 15 ra lisi imagala na 15 positive 15 belisi x phata tam dalu 5x minus 25 minus x la analo positive x emi the phata bodo it will become negative x imagala so we are writing negative x so tele ana 5x ana negative 25 ana 15 ani 25 dusu gara ani x memi dusu nata tanila ana negative 25 thing ngachi gi nata shift beni so 15 negative the phale nata bakomdal it will get added mola it will change its sign so nagi 15 digo 5 negative 25 it will become positive 25 equals to 5x minus x la ha goi mola ani di equation phaso pani di ha ko tele analu 0 1 40 la 15 plus 25 will be 40 is equals to 5x minus x will be 4x la imagala 4x imbe so ani bodalu analu 4x equals to 40 me bola ani ni nada ma du khemi le chorte be you can interchange so ngachi x jam chi chabe 4 phata bodo na multiplication sign in the phata bodo it will get divided mola so 40 divided by 4 so x equals to 10 la so ani bodalu what is his present age symbol question di so we have assumed x as karma's present age mola so karma's present age is 10 la so tatu karma la me digi lo di bawachin chutham min be se shudo so ani bodalu first question di bawacha am chu solve pe dei la let's move on to question number 2 la tani bodalu ngachi question number 1 solve pe bebe question number 2 gi nalu different concept so ani bodalu the question number 2 dia naula kachla mela bachi the age gap between Tashi and One More is 16 seme bola Tashi da One More gi bana gi logi difference ti 16 years seme to bada ka bomina maji me mosla ani beni digi ngachi la misabe but second condition di tagila if 6 years ago Tashi was 3 times as old as One More lo drugi hema Tashi di cha sumge sumtap ki be One More de bome batela 6 years ago Tashi age was 3 times more than One More me bola how we mola so ani be ni dige now we came to know that Tashi is the eldest imagala One More the Tashi bomb se wacha atar Tashi bomb bere de matal mo 3 years Tashi bomb after 4 years One More bomb se anzu mejo atela age hema ga bomb di dandabra add bejo dalu ro age bomb de bomb bere de matala so ani be ni dige what we have come to know is that Tashi is the elder imagala Tashi was 3 times as old as One More dalu Tashi di low bomb so ani be ni dige ngachi ga analu Tashi minus One More bodalu age gap di bachin 16 years me bola ani be thobla Tashi da One More gi bana difference 16 years du labdalu ngachi gi ka bomina mashida chi diboda second statement gi labdero Tashi di 3 times ki low drew gi hema 3 times ki bomb de so ani be ni dige the Tashi minus One More bodalu di we are getting 16 years imagala so ani bodalu Tashi is the eldest la analu ngachi gi ani bodal atara anzu me bachin lo chungku di bagola chungku di x be consider be go to the chungku x be consider be go la the sometimes ani question I depend on large bomb the x be go thine the answer ki question type be wachin chungku di x be ban la so ngachi kachpen la wachin now we will take let the present age mola let the present age of chungku di kai mela to wang mo me watla mus so and when the let the present age of wng wang mo be x la imagala wang mo the x be watching let the present age of wang mo be x se ngachi condition zo da la equation gi na condition zo da to x be ja watching tashi di wang mo le gamchi logi bomla 16 years ki bomba tala so and when the age of tashi will be directly x plus 16 how go mola ani be how go la ngachi ki kashe be watching analu wang mo di x be ja watching wang mo le di tashi di lo bombe kamchi gi lo bombe 16 years ki bomba to khoni bana 16 years e watching the 16 years ki bombe me mola ani condition simple de how go to tele ani be ni dige da to ngachi ni thopchi bala let the age of wang mo be x and let the age of tashi be x plus 16 so x and x plus 16 be jai tele anale da ne ta bin la ngachi condition na jon la if 6 years ago se me bola if 6 years ago la watching condition de anangai da chiti dozo metro CONDITION dato di step by step etendo namna se examination na che used to jogal step by step jimo go directly solve page oda to bola so condition di gachila mela 6 years ago se me bola 6 years ago watching wong mo ge age na le 6 minus bego ti chora thibe tashi ge age x plus 16 minus 6 bego mola and how go la 6 years ago touching condition ji ago lo hemaglo age before lo zawachin de subtract bego su mola so and the x plus 16 minus 6 can be written as x plus 10 imagala and the log to patala and 16 minus 6 is 10 imaga and be disim le ngachi kashpen lawachin la tabinde ngachi kashpen lawachin data mela kachi condition dita gola if 6 years ago tashi was 3 times as old as wang mo simebola hanalu kachila mela wachin tashi gi age thi anala tashi gi age di gadimu x plus 10 di matle maga ana x plus 16 go ngachi minus 6 to x plus 10 condition di tabin solve pedal x plus 10 is equal to se me bola 6 years ago ge age di condition na chunga ngachi 6 years ago gi ana x minus 6 and x plus 16 minus 6 bodolo we are getting x plus 10 imagala so and when the x plus 10 tashi gi age di is equal to 6 years ago ge age di is equals to was 3 times as old as wang mo wala so wang mo gi lo le di chasum gi bombe so and when the 3 times wang mo gi di gamchi mola analu x minus 6 years ago gi so x minus 6 so ani equation the form bego bela tashi gi age 6 years ago was equal to 3 times the age of wang mo me wala so and when the ani equation the form basically then there's no problem that is all pedro chunrai chamton to be x plus 10 the x plus 10 beratio 3 into x is 3x mola tele 3 6 is 18 negative beratio so ani beti dai imagala so ani besimle tare ani x di phata tani ani negative 18 nata bani so analu positive 10 du negative 18 nata bomda it will get positive 18 be change chon phata imagala ani 18 negative 18 nata bomdalu 19 du plus 18 be chon na negative emidi tele nagi 3x beratio tele ani x di phata bomdalu na positive bendi phata jogal negative jo hakoi mola so ani bodalu 28 is equals to 2x imagala 28 is equals to 2x so ani bodalu machi tore 2x is equals to 28 city to mola phado so interchange bo khemi te ani besim le asumela ani besim le x di x bere jani 28 go 2 di nagi ani 2 di phata transfer bodalu na multiplication sign na indi phata babal it will get divide bala 2 so ani bodalu x equals to 14 la so ani bodalu datogi find their present age lo wala imagala present age ti ngachi ki kasai tachi let the present age of wang mo be x the wang mo the x be wachin if wang mo is 14 la x di wang mo ge be da so wang mo is 14 be wachin tashi di wang mo le 16 years ki bomba til mola so tashi age will be 14 plus 16 be de bola hagoi mola ani be wang mo 14 be wachin ani di 30 tik tila 14 plus 16 was 30 so 14 and 30 image ani be la so now let's move on to question number 3 la question number 3 ki ba wachin the father's age is double the age of son se ani be thom chirang achi directly lapso wala buale di upper gi age di double image. So pudi x bawachin upper will be 2x mola. So and when the first condition dra thomchira tiru tup the memory ma wogil habu. After 10 years, the ratio of their ages will be 5:3. Find the present age of sun same bola. So and bodalu ngachi gastini let the present age of sun be x mola. Turka chumidra x base. Sun the x bawachi. The father's age is double the age of sun lo, but the double bawachin 2x dela. Father's age should be 2x mola. Budi x bawachin apadi double be the 2x jo mola. So the condition the gachitula tas the root condition tago. Condition the after 10 years se me batala imagala after 10 years labachin tato yumi leve 10 years after me bat. So after 10 years labale tachile labching agi add pego se. So and when the x plus 10 magala the chort be 2x plus 10 tela. So ngachi condition de thopchi x plus 10 2x plus 10. Tagasla me the ratio of their ages will be 5:3 se me bala. Find the present age. Tato ratio de bawachin kadibela. Tato ratio de bawachin ngachi kadibishi sup analu bugi ratio mola. Son is to father the x plus 10 is to 2x plus 10 mola. Present ratio di analu x plus 10 son is to father gi son the x plus 10 is to 2x plus 10 mola. After 10 years ki condition gi na thibachin ani ni di x plus 10 is to 2x plus 10 ratio the after 10 years the kadim chmola should be equal to 5:3 same ratio. How we mola kadim mola bachin ani is to anila son is to father is equals to 5:3 and 5:3 and son analu father la. So ani gomate anale 3:5 hongve 3:5 because son di chungkui apadi bombatala. So analu kaslab dala wachin tamila son is to father gi ratio after 10 years will be 3:5 imbatala. Son is to father gira. So ani bodalu ngachi kaspe ko la wachin namra ratio ne wachin ngachi kadi ditubla ani be 1:2 the 1/2 se ditup se jumola ansumra x plus 10 divided by 2x plus 10 betinila. Ani the x plus 10 divided by 2x plus 10 anla. Ratio the x plus 10 is to 2x plus 10 the we can write it in this form salabila. Ani is to the divides and ditup which is also equal to 3/5 la. 3:5 the we can write it as 3/5 mola. So ani bodalo anale now what we have to do is we just need to cross multiply la. Nagiri mayata yagiri mata be. So ani bodalo kachbegolo ani 3 bera jani ani 2x plus 10 the bracket na jagola kazochin calculation na mistake mejo toro ani 5 bera jani tele ani x plus 10 the bracket na jani x plus 10 ani be bodalo kashes bela ngachi taben ani 3 the ma multiply be 5 the multiply be ta ani bracket open be oda migi ma chewa chigira kasumla 3 directly na multiply the 2x na lu chamchi multiply jo me ani bindi ki bracket use space la midra ani bracket use watch carol thopala 3 2 is 6x mola 6x plus 3 tens are 30 mola is equals to 5x is 5x ra plus 5 10 is 50 la hakoi mola anchi thopshim le solve penny tela da bindi amchi thopshim le solve penny so an bodolo 6x de na do 5x phadu 5x de na positive na ta bona negative jo so 6x minus 5x is equals to now 50 the 50 bera dio nagi positive 30 the phata babdolu negative 30 jo so negative 30 so an bodolo 5x minus 6x minus 5x will be x mola 6s le 5 ten ko chi cham chilong so which is x 1x which is also 50 minus 30 is 20 la so ani bodalo x the 20 bochi what is x la let the present age of sun be x so sun gi age the 20 mela so find the present age of sun so present age is of sun is 20 la so ani be chetop se judo question number 4 na chuge so question number 4 na pa wachin dishum be si mela analu a man said to his son lola I was as old as you are at the time of your birth se mebula kachilab mela wachin appa digi bululab mela I was as old as you are at the present lo tato che kamchi de nga animchi jembe nga animchi age na de se mebula at the time of your che kewi gi kapsulu my age was equal to yours at present tato budi lo 20 be wachin apa gi khaslam la wachin nga cheki we kapsulu nga lo 20 video islam me bola ani sumbe so ani statement di how ko mola tale if father's age is 38 years now la kalemche apadi lo 38 ba wachin the son's age 5 years back was seme bola the bugi lo cheni me 5 years back so analu kachis wela wachin ngachigi bugi age mishimola dro let the present age of son be x tala imagala tur logdra x beshani tala ani di tawda nam so complicated thomela tawda nam so simple is shudo tala kaslam la wachin ani be bugi x be rawachin tamela a man said to his son I was as old as you are at the present at the time of your birth lovate if father's age 38 years now the son's age 5 years back was so dalu anul kaslam la wachin apadigi age di 38 years ale imagala 38 years ale ngachigi we have to subtract the birth age imagala khokke wi gi kap sense gi age di minus should be equivalent to present age imagala apagi age nale khogi birth age di birth be time gi age di to ko achin ta to present age di thopni me batala hagoi mola analu apagi age esale khokke wi gi kap su gi time la khogi birth age sense gi tiani subtract both the look gi bugi present age thomni me bola so ani be beshim le anali di jamla ani achi concept how go ni difficult so don't boda ani di ngai dijage la so that if you realize la birth ki te ani di present ki la apagi tato gi age na le kho birth baby cup ki age ti to ko achin bugi present age ti thobe batala hagoi mola so ani condition de ngai tato explain bodalo hamago achin ani equation form be mi tabe telani question looks habdalu then you will get la ani be nitigi 38 is equals to negative x te phata babdalu positive jo so x plus x will be x plus x berati dege so 38 will be 2x mola hagoi mola so 2x is equals to 38 so x is equals to 38 divided by 2 so ani bodalu x will be 19 mola so x is the present age of the sun the present age of the sun is 19 the bodalu question ki kasel of the 5 find this the sun's age 5 years back me bola longa gi hema so 5 years back bochi we have to subtract mola so 19 minus 5 begobe so will be 14 years so this is sun's age 5 years ago imegala 5 years back ki so ani bit chingla now we will move on to question number 5 la question number 5 ki kasla mela wachin this will be similar the product age of Tashi and Dawa is 240 la kasla me Tashi multiplied by Dawa gi age bodalu we are getting 240 me bala ani wolu gi table di nam sa paw me assume la wolu paper ma cho chindro ko okay so the product age of Tashi and Dawa is 240 la Tashi da Dawa ki lodi chigi multiply be hodalu we are getting 240 me bala tale if twice the age of Dawa is more than Dawa ki age the multiplied by 2 be hodalu 2 beve tale Dawa anale if twice the age of Dawa is more than Tashi's age by 4 years Tashi le 4 years ki bomela wachi kasta mela wachin Dawa ki age the chani multiply cha bebe Tashi the tem ko dalu logi difference thong se me bola then what is Dawa's age se me bola Dawa ki lo kam chimo se me so an bodolo ngai so pe jodolo ha ko data mela ngachigi dato Tashi ki age the mi se mola so we will assume Tashi age to be x la let Tashi's age be x imagala Tashi ki age the x be assume beta bachin Dawa gi the age di tato chungu di Tashi mola hanbeni x be Tashi assume be so an bodolo if Tashi's age is x bawachin khoni multiply bodalu di x minus Dawa bodalu di we have to get 240 batele imaga kadibela mola wachi example da mena x multiplied by Dawa will be 240 batela khogi age da x ti kamol da to Tashi da Dawa multiply by 240 to goes Tashi ki sama x bawachin Dawa ki age ti 240 Tashi multiplied by Dawa is 240 so on the Dawa's age bawachin x na multiply phata batalu 240 divided by x jombate emaga so ani beni dige if we assume Tashi's age to be x, then Dawa's age will be 240 divided by x la. Tangai 240 divided by x bachi takadi be oinga se tur confuse jodons no be anal solve pe bitin khoni gi age Tashi and Dawa gi age multiplied by the 240 me, so Tashi gi now we are assuming it as x, so on badalu x multiplied by d is equals to 240 bachi Dawa gi age will be 240 divided by x tala x pata badalu, so ani be ni digi ngachi gi analu Dawa's age will be 240 by x hagoi mola the condition di kachila mela bachin anala if twice the age of Dawa ki age the 240 by x the multiply 2 be multiplied by wachin same 2 multiplied by 240 by x multiply be wachin is more than Tashi's age by 4 years khoni ki banai gap the 4 years themme same bala ani minus ngachi gi Tashi ki age the x bodalu difference di wachin 4 themme same condition de ani bi ani how go bala hemara 2 times the age of Dawa bodalu Tashi wale de loshigi bombe same, so ani boda minus bodalu Tashi minus bawachin difference the 4 years same difference years how go ani haptaru ani be, so ani be shim like 240 multiplied by 2 will be 480 by x minus x equals to 4 mola ani di ana talu cham multiply jom bala ani di multiply bodalu di directly tele ani multiply joshim le data mela analu LCM analu x ki olu 1 yesi so x ki olu 1 yobacha ani 1 the x oni then we have to multiply by x mola, so ani badalu 480 minus analu 1 yoba x ki multiply bacha x into x is x square ma olu LCM the x beratyo is equals to 4 ani LCM ki kole hamago chinga hema gi videos na zozoila kadibe LCM tengo ga ansu ta na se shudo la ka so each and every step and within the watching then video nam some link to this shuni that it's more than 26 minutes cross better no tele ngachi an thop chimola, so ani thopshim le what we will do is now we will simply ani take la ani take be ni raimbala phakatu, so ani x ti phakatu babtalu 480 minus x square is equals to 4x imagala, so ani bodalu danga chiki ani 4x ti nata banila, so 480 minus x square minus 4x is equals to 0 mola 4x nata bako magale nagani mi, so 0 liu ani beshim le ngachi kashpen la bachin tadi arrangement bego bala arrangement nalu quadratic equations se, so quadratic equations nalu kadi bachin x square plus x plus c se thambala is equals to 0 se ani form chebila ani so equation ki form chebi quadratic equation nalu x square plus x plus c se x square di power mol power 2 ani x ki talu power 1 tele ani c stands for constant la x to sumeba numbers cham chibe, so ani bodalu tatoki nalu ngachi ki anish pe golai ki variable, so ani bodalu analu kadi bitula x square gatula a negative x square, so put it negative x square minus 4x plus 480 is equals to 0 ani equation di ngachi ki I equation nalu arrange pe benda we have arranged it this way, so x square di hemachui, so x square di donka negative indi negative x square minus 4x di 4x bera and negative di negative bera shai batela plus on positive 480 bendi ki plus 480 is equals to 0, so I form nalu chudai ngachi ki magala, so ani bi chushim le negative donka yebda di mibjai batela, so ani be nidiki if you multiply by another negative sign then it will change batela, so ani be nidiki now we will multiply negative 1 give multiply by negative x square minus 4x plus 480 betalu 0, so ani the positives on try bela, so that much solve for the jump to thoni delu jachi be thoni me jump to member, so negative 1 minus negative 1 multiplied by negative x square is positive x square, negative into negative is positive 4x, negative into positive is negative 480 is equals to 0 imagala ani di how go gono iroe, so am chi form beshim le ngachi ki quadratic equation use bebe solve pe bola am chi form beshle ngachi quadratic equation use bebe kadi solve pen la bachin quadratic equation di kasum chi use la bachin la quadratic equation di negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac ani ka root ki uli divided by 2a ani formula di same khongle cho jagola you have to memorize this formula la negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a ani mebachin then chi middle term breaking basis of peretup keboda tatu idun luti ngai ani use pege kaso chingai hemagina middle term breaking tentebe tatu inalu I am going to use this quadratic equation so ani bodalu ngachi ka segola bachin analula x ki dongka number mi tatu teboda theka pongoni yogola so ani bindigi analu 1 is shemo ngachi that one is a la ana a ani ki dongka yomi ani dongka yomi di b the c di c tera khorara c khorara so ani bindi ana x di su dongka yomi numbers lu ngachi a b tela phakai di c hakoi mola so ani bodalu ngachi gi ani hagodo chi ana mishomni mela so ani binai paper source chin dege so paper source chin dege ani bodalu tato ngachi equation gaji topchila equation de we got x square minus 4x gomate plus 4x minus 480 is equals to 0 mola ani equation de thopchi batala ani equation de ngachi quadratic na chuni so ani bodalu analu a is equals to kamchi mela a is equals to a is equals to ani dong khata ob dikhache 1 mola dong ata dalu x ki dong khadi number mindu teboda 1 is shigo so a is equals to 1 b is equals to negative positive 4 mola tele c is equals to negative 480 however mola a b c thopchi tele equation na chune rai negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a bodalu and the equation na chune negative b b di 4 imbe so ani bodanga chi negative 4 plus or minus root of b square 4 square benimbe 4 square minus 4 into 1 into negative 480 divided by 2 into a is 1 ani hago imola ani hago chin tanga chi gaspula bachin negative 4 the negative 4 bera shani plus or minus root of root beni tela na ko dai simplified benla 4 4 za 16 mola 4 square bodalu tela ani negative 4 into 1 is negative 4 into negative 480 is 1920 mola so and bodalu positive jombala negative into negative will positive 1920 yasi tele ma ogidi 2 into 1 is 2 rate mola 2 into 1 is 2 so ani bodalu ngachigi taru kadibe thopla bachin negative 4 plus or minus root of khoni add ben la that is simply so 1936 thop divided by 2 la mola 2 so ani bodalu tanga chi root ki value di calculator na chu betan la so root ki value calculator na chu beta wachin you will get negative 4 plus or minus 44 la 44 divided by 2 hagoi mola so ani be divided by 2 bodalu tanga chi value ni thopla ana plus or minus yoni dige plus be charge take be minus be charge take be go ani be ni dige ngachi kade ben tabindi negative 4 tatu kinalu negative 4 ngachi plus sign di badula plus 44 divided by 2 imagala dijora tibbe toru chachi negative 4 the negative di banda minus 44 divided by 2 imagala is equals to negative 4 plus 44 bachin it will become 40 divided by 2 is 20 imagala answer the 20 positive 20 sabchi ana negative 4 minus 44 will be negative 48 divided by 2 imagala so it will be 24 imagala so ani bodalu ani negative na thomala answer di so you will get this answer in negative so ani beni dige ani di ignore begola negative sign now midi you have to ignore whereas positive na midi bago so we are getting the x value as 20 la analu 20 thobachin value anal ma solve page dalu we will get the value anal x equals to say baro to plan if you solve like this x equals to last na hip x equals to toru log 20 thobe batala imagala jam to tobe so x ki value ding achi 20 thopchi mola toru log 3 yagi na choge now we got the value of x equals to an equation to solve pebe we got x equals to 20 la hawe mola so ani bodalu what is dawas h imbola tatung achi ani di x ti kage h be baila wachin let tashis h be x se bai bola tashi gi h ti x be bai imagala we took Tashi's age as x. So ani boda x ki value di 20 thopchi. So ani boda x ki value 20 bachi dawa ki age tikam chimo 240 divided by x. X ki value 20 bachi 240 divided by 20 tila. So we will write simply dawa's age is equals to 240 divided by 20, which is equals to 12 years. Imala 12 years imbe. So ani di ani be thopchila. Now let's move on to question number 6 mala. Question number 6. A is thrice as old as her brother. Imala question number 6 nalu. Mao giti kitam sa distract me. Assume caps so that question this puzzle me chuni tundo. Thome mala. A is thrice as old as her brother lola. A di brother the cheptalu thasum gi pomme and 14 years older than her sister. Ajim the cheptalu di los 14 gi bombe. The brother will become half of Dema's age after 4 years. How old is A? Emagala. Another sister di Dema me brother di brother bera A di A brashano. So ani bodalu ngachi kade pinila wachin tamela. Tatona chunshora gai me brother. So ani benitiki let the age of brother be x telamula. Brother the x bawachin A di kamchul A is thrice as old as her brother. Brother the cheptaludi thasum gi bombe. So A's age mula. A's age will be 3x. Simple mula. Tele A is thrice as old as her brother today and 14 years older than her sister Dema. Same bala. Tani bawachin Dema's age di A le lo 14 gi less only me mula. So anbindi 3x minus 14. A di Dema sister Dema le 14 years ki bombachin Dema di 14 years ki less ongo so anbindi we are subtracting 14. Dema's age will be 3x. A ki age le di 14 years less so anbindi ani thopchi. Ta condition ka chembela tato anadu condition di ngai lapchi age add benelo subtract benelo after 8 years lo after 6 years lo semi so condition is mula. So first condition di bawachin so and DITI1 condition di bawachin katipitula. The brother will become half of Dema's age after 4 years. After 4 years, after 4 years. So after 4 years, brothers ki age after 4 years di x plus 4 telamola. After 4 years, so x plus 4 the will become half of Dema's age after 4. Dema ki age ki equal lapte. So anviditi Dema ki after 4 years Dema age di 3x mola. 3x minus 14 the after 4 years plus 4. So Dema's age will be 3x negative 14 plus 4 will be directly 10 mola. 3x minus 10. And a condition diginale ngachika stopchi brothers ki age will be x plus 4. Dema's age will be 3x plus 10. Tele question ki kaslab dela tabe nanalu solve pe juni gi mila. Solve pe juni so anu bodalu ngachi equation form pe gola tabin. The brother will be anamala analebitana. The brother will become half of Dema's age after 4 years. After 4 years ki brothers ki di x plus 4. X plus 4 will be equal to half of 1 by 2 multiplied by half of bracket na shago sanga ta chilapchi half of Dema's age magala Dema's age after 4 years di katiasta ana 3x plus 10 di magala 3x plus 10 hago mala so any condition the form begosala hemara ngachi so an bodalu x plus 4 the x plus 4 bera deu ani di tachile shui ngai multiplication di direct jo se 1 di karal jo maulu di ani direct jo so 3x plus 10 divided by 2 hemagala so ani bodalu tare ani 2 di nata bani 2 nata babdalu bracket na shago ani di ani boda 2 di x na thop 2 di 4 na thop tatongai one step skip pe jo to ani bendi 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 4 is 8 which equals to 3x plus 10 emagala 3x plus 10 so ani bodalu ngachigi directly cheni emagala takas chen lawachin ani let the x be the age brothers ki age the present ki mela present age so ani boda x ki value thoptalu it should be the present age of brother ki tachi present samadi no bituran some shame re yodon so ani beni digi ta analu 3x the pha bombe mola na chumbe so ani beni 2x the pha ta kyodalu analu positive 3x minus 2x so ana positive 8 ana positive 10 emi nata badalu bachonla 10 gomate mistake jibenu ngai ka tibiga 3x gomate ana 3x minus 10 nimela right turu ulta dijano gomate and 3x minus 10 nimbe so ani bodalu analu negative so na shutu chegi danda be follow up be tijo mi bachin so 2x plus 8 equals to 3x minus 10 mola so analu positive 8 be to 9 negative 10 di nata babdalu it will become positive 10 equals to and 3x better and positive 2x the path about the negative 2x so and the negative 2x emagala so and the loop machigi 10 plus 8 is 18 equals to 3x minus 2x will be x so x ki value the thara ngachi kam stopchi 18 thopchi wala emagala x ki value the 18 bewachin tatonga chi x the age of brother in batala takach se samaro how old is a same batala a ge age chani so brother the x the 18 bewachin a ge age the bewachin 3 times in batala 3x in batala so and when the a will be 3 into 18 which is equals to 54 318 is 54 so a ge age the 54 in base shutula now we will move on to next question now question number 7 question number 7 the namsame atchi concentrate pay of chi so shuto ka so this is a different question la machi mi tsugi namna say 3 times the answer pan lo om the confusion thumala a is 3 times say but 3 times elder than ani 3 times ani say but in the directly 3x to the to be tibotalo analu kas tu tamela karma is aged 3 times more sidobala 3 times more ever chindi and the total different condition ila khoragi age tigulu 3 times add bego wala more say ever chin then his son after 8 years he would be 2.5 times of son's age after further 8 years how many times would he be of son's age same ani bodalu ta condition di gadi bitin tamela let the son's age be x mala let the present age of son be x talai magala if present age of son the x bewachin the father ki age will be father's age will be directly 3 times more so the 3x me la analu kasla malachi budi ki age ku plus bugi age plus 3 times malachi 3x 3 times the 3x more la bagale x plus bego dikha chela hagoi mola 3 times more say bachin tachi condition nalu thrice as old as her brother lo azu moi batala tiboda tatui nalu 3 times more number question nalu 3 times more say bachin you have to add ani x bego dikha che ani beni diki father's age is 4x ani hagoi mola ani di logs x bemi go kasochin 3 times more la bagale x add bego dikha che tele after 8 years bewachin jamme talamo condition di simply after 8 years bewachi x plus 8 bugidi son gi age di magala tele apagidi 4x plus 8 tela father gi after 8 years ki magala so condition di kadi bidula ani condition sashim second condition di after 8 years he would be same bola 2.5 times of son's age apagi age di kadimo after 8 years the 4x plus 8 will be equal to 2.5 times of son's age lo 2.5 multiplied by son ki age after 8 years the x plus 8 tela mola x plus 8 so ani bodalu 4x plus 8 is equals to 2.5 into x is 2.5 extra mola 2.5 extra tyo tele 2.5 into 8 will be 20 plus 20 jombola 20 so ani bodalu analu ngachi ani x nata banla 4x now positive in the nata bodalu negative jom so negative 2.5x is equals to now positive 20 then again positive 8 the path of the negative jom negative 8 so 4x minus 2.5x bodalu will get 1.5x which is equals to 20 minus 8 bodalu will get 12 so x equals to 12 divided by 1.5 will be x is equals to 8 la so current age of current son's age di bawachin kamchimbe 8 me bala the budi 8 me so the question ki kachita milawachin further 8 years lo emaga if you are th further 8 years further 8 years further 8 years be gale simply mola tato further 8 years bachi jamra jambala tato present age the x the 80 me bugi di nanyen mela if sun gi present age the bawachin 18 be after 8 years the condition use bebe ngachi sort bodulu present age thop to mela anigu add bebo ganemi 8 years add be mi di sinimo present age current age present age sala bagale di koi initial starting age di bala 8 di hawo mala sun di 8 bawachin further 8 years lawachin dachigi 8 years ko turu 8 years add penu most so present digo dachigi 8 years plus turu further 8 year lo turu add benime so 8 plus 8 is 16 mola hem tatoi present age ko they are going to add 16 years me bala pugi bawachin emagala so 8 plus 16 is equals to 24 la pudi the sun's age will be 24 anal puzzle jogob gane mila tato current age bawachin analo x pe chai bala ngachi first na chemathon digi so ani ax the value the 8 thopchu batala so after 8 years amchi 2.5 chong toro after 8 years further 8 years bodolo 16 years gi jab khale gi lola me bala so an when digi x plus 16 da x plus 16 24 jodolu ngachi apa gi dila apa diga de cheni ngachi ga di bilawachin mola apa di 4x plus 16 jom batala father ki age ti 4x tigalu thoro add 16 bogola tato bugi age ti 8 bodolu 16 add bodolu father ki 4x ko 16 add peni so and bodolu 4 into x is 8 plus 16 emagala hawe mola so and bodolu 4 into 8 plus 16 so 32 plus 16 mola 32 plus 16 bodolu we will get 48 so father ki idla father ki age the 48 imbe after 16 years similarly bugi age the 24 imbe so question ki kashma che how many times would he be of son's age ma how many times kamchi times kila so 48 divided by 24 is equals to 2 so 2 times ki bombe bala so ani how many times la bachi directly divide betan right so father is 2 times animal elder than he ani 2 times more than his son imbe final solution the watching 2 times so darigi lesson the watch anim chirin la before I conclude mala concept achi recapitulate peki so that you remember la taben de ha gombal the concept use betan session le di concept teach for touching I concept teach for the n x for the now what's confusion no ben last na jai so ani ben dige now we'll recapitulate some concepts la concepts ki na look at tin la wachin hammer mala quadratic equation ni nam sam khache so negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a ani formula de memorize chap gobnam sam khache so please remember la tele so concept de bache after our hands later anso moma chindi you have to add n years mula n years the come years ki add to mani bini tele shule before lo tro ago lo se omba chindi you have to subtract n years magala tele times more than say wachin la n times more than say wachin x plus n times magala ani be gopti khache so concepts khache so ani shiraim be so ani the namsame kariche shutula thank you so much then ngai as far as possible ngai this thop tara ngai jubarani clock ki chi chauchin then data interpretation gi chuge ngai she ta nabuyo exam namsam bol khar rai so ngai manage bedola ngai time manage bebera chun try bedo so as far as possible ngai jubo chun ni chaking ge shudo